Hello guys, welcome back to CAD/CAM e-learning and part 3 of water tap assembly tutorial. In first and second parts we had created component 1 to 4. Now in this part we are going to create remaining 5 small components and apply materials to all the components. So let's start to complete all the components in this part. Open the file of component number 5, see the orthographic views are already set up. Sketch on front plane, draw a vertical axis. Draw a closed loop on left side for creating the revolve feature. Define its dimensions and apply proper relations. Exit the sketch. Apply revolve feature. Now in order to create 4 sections, sketch on bottom face. Draw a center rectangle on right side. Define the dimensions. Apply circular pattern to copy 4 rectangles. Exit the sketch. Extrude cut it up to the bottom face. So our component number 5 is complete now. Let's move to component number 6. Draw a sketch on front plane for revolving. Draw vertical axis. Draw a closed loop on right side. Define the dimensions. Exit the sketch. Apply Revolve feature. So our component number 6 is also complete. Similarly, create component number 7 and 8 with the same method. Draw a sketch on front plane for revolving. Draw horizontal axis. Draw a closed loop on upper side. Define the dimensions. Exit the sketch. Apply Revolve feature. Sketch on top plane. Draw the hexagon, coincide it with horizontal. Define its dimensions. Exit the sketch. Extrude blind by 2. Apply chamfer 1/45 on inner edges. Apply threads M3 with 6.6 height. So our final component is also complete. Now let's apply material to all the components. Open the first component, apply plain white scene. Apply real view graphics, apply brushed chromium material. Similarly, open second component and apply the same settings. Similarly, apply suitable material of your choice to remaining components. So this is enough for this part. Now let's meet you in the next part to continue to assembling the water tap. If you have learned something new from this tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification of my next videos. Thanks for keep watching and liking CAD/CAM e-learning. Take care.